Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present you what is the best investment broker in Finland and also is the best stock broker in Finland. So the first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you do it, you'll get on this website called DEGIRO, and in my opinion DEGIRO is the best stock broker from Finland in one of the reasons. Let me explain. First, you just want to scroll down below and click here on Finland. Go to top right and you can simply register. Select the country and voila. And this is how we do it. I made a video in which I was comparing all investment brokers, like which one is actually the best. And I found out that DEGIRO is the best for Finland. And here's why also. Brokerage, which is like one of the best review websites for DEGIRO and others, said that DEGIRO is the best discount broker, best broker for stock trading. Also DEGIRO and like best mobile trading platform, Saxo Bank, best social trading, but eToro, you know, they are not like that, oh, DEGIRO is the best and nothing else. DEGIRO is just like really one of the best ones. I believe in that in stocks. And they said it too. So what I really like about DEGIRO is that you don't have any account fee, any inactivity fee, any deposit fee, any withdrawal fee. Interactive brokers got inactivity fee, eToro got withdrawal fee. When you would come here to the fees and you scroll down below, you see it here that they get really cheap fees when you want to buy stocks. 0.7. Also, there is also a list of ETFs that can be traded for free once a month, meaning either one buy or one sell transaction. So that's good too. And that's pretty much it. They got really good platform. They are iPhone app and Google app are working well. But I recommend like trading and using if you want to buy stocks through PC or notebook, what you got. And yep. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. You can test it out for free. Just register through the link down below in the description and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.